Get the chest, the guns, and the back you've always wanted with the new Power Press Complete Push-Up Training System. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. You know how to do a push-up, but do you know how to do it right? Want to target specific muscles to maximize your upper body strength? Now, with this revolutionary color-coded push-up board, it's easy. Want to develop your shoulders? Switch the grip. Want to work your triceps? Switch the grip. Want an intense chest workout or a ripped back? Switch the grip. And you engage your core every time you work out. This unique system lets you plug and press for insane results on your shoulders, chest, triceps, biceps, and back. For easy storage, Power Press snaps apart and fits almost anywhere. This is no gimmick. Get in the best shape at home using Power Press without paying a gym membership. Plus, you'll also get a free workout schedule. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, you'll want Power Press. Press your workout to the max. Call now or visit our website. Get Power Press today.
Now, flat abs and a toned stomach can be yours. With the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro, the new way to a flatter stomach. Invented by the U.S. Navy SEAL who brought you the perfect push-up. It's a revolution in waistline carving results. Just drive forward, stretch and extend the muscles of your core and abs. Then return and feel the stomach carving burn. Inside is the Ab Carver Pro's kinetic assist engine. The engine coils up as you extend and then springs you back to keep your workout going. Drive left, right, and center to carve the upper, middle, and lower abs, the inner and outer obliques, plus your chest and arms. So no more sit-ups and crunches. It's only minutes a day for more sculpted arms and a flatter stomach. With its large, stable rubber tires and comfortable ergonomic handles, it works on hard floors and carpets. So here's the deal. The waistline shrinking Ab Carver Pro is only 2 payments of $19.95. Order now and get a set of Perfect Fitness knee pads free. Carve away inches and flatten your stomach with the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. Call or go online right now.
We are runners, boarders, fighters, speed freaks, hell on wheels. And yet, we are all chasing the same thing. A better version of ourselves. Grab, push, pull, and earn your way there with TRX.
Hi, this is Shad with Live Inflate. Today I'm here to show you our professional grade anti-burst exercise ball. They come in a number of different sizes and colors, so let's have a look at the features. Our exercise balls are made from a BPA-free PVC material, which can actually support 2,200 pounds. And every purchase includes a pump, a plug remover, and 2 air plugs. The surface of the exercise ball has defined anti-slip ridges to make sure that you stay in place while you're working out, and they can actually sustain a 2-centimeter cut without bursting. The included air pump makes inflation and breeze, and each ball comes with 2 tapered air plugs, which ensures that you won't be continuously inflating your ball. Now, if you ever want to fully deflate it, we include an air plug remover tool, which makes this quick and easy. The correct size exercise ball will give you a 90-degree angle at your knees. Be sure to reference our size guide to choose what size will fit you best. Thanks so much for watching, and if you ever have questions, please feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy to help.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Impacts. This is the Marcy Flat Bench. And I'll tell you what, I'm super excited to jump into this thing and create an amazing workout. Let's go. All right, everybody, so we're gonna hit some standard dumbbell bicep curls. It's gonna focus on the overall bicep development. It's gonna look something like this. So that was your dumbbell curl. I would suggest anywhere between 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions with about a 90-second rest. Give it a shot. So our next exercise is going to be a body weight dip, utilizing the bench. It's going to be a great overall tricep developer and core. It's going to look something like this. All right, so that was your dip. Really, really great tricep and core developer. I would suggest anywhere between 2 to 3 sets, going to failure with about a 60 to 90-second rest. Give it a shot today. One of my favorite exercises for overall fitness development is called a plank up. This is going to focus on your overall development of fitness, especially your core, your lower butt, your lower back. It's going to really help with your posture and make things work a little bit easier during life. Looks something like this. Start in a plank position, come up to a push-up position, and back down. With the plank ups, I would suggest doing 2 to 3 sets until failure with about a 60-second rest. Give that a shot today.